Individual tax filing begins this Monday, January 26th, and this year there are several changes taxpayers need to know about following recent federal tax law updates that could impact your refund or what you owe. That's why I went to the source, speaking with a local tax expert ahead of time just for you.
The biggest difference is refunds are going up. There's no tax on tips, no tax on overtime, and also no tax on car interest. So that's a win.
Satanya Mouton, a local tax preparer, tells me increases to your standard deductions are also something to keep an eye out for. Married filing jointly sits at $31,500, up from $29,200 in 2024. Single filers are at $15,750, and head of household is up to $23,625. There are also new and expanded deductions aimed at helping seniors, working families, and hourly workers, meaning you may qualify for more deductions, but the rules are more detailed, so it is important to understand what exactly applies to your personal situation.
Before filing, always bring your last check stub, your W-2 or your 1099, and we can look at it, but make sure you bring it because sometimes it's not included on that W-2 or 1099. I tell people bring multiple check stubs because sometimes it doesn't work. And then they have cash tips too, such as like Waffle House and stuff, or like Spark and DoorDash. Give me a rough estimate of what you made to bring with that because you can't count cash every time because I know I Spark. So from time to time, but I keep a document of every tip I got cash.
People 65 and older may qualify for an additional deduction, while some workers could see certain tips or overtime excluded from federal income taxes.
The no tax on overtime has increased their returns like 400 or 500, some people even thousands. But is what people don't understand is a third of the overtime.
Families should also pay close attention this year, especially when it comes to the child tax credit. Make sure you have your child's social, date of birth. A birth certificate is preferred. And make sure the name matches how you usually file it, or it could get rejected.
Have all your documents and be prompt. That way we could file your taxes swiftly and accurately without pausing.
It's no secret tax season can be stressful and confusing. That's why if you have questions, whether you file yourself or hire someone to do it for you, local experts say the best practice is to just ask. For KATC, I'm Taylor Toole.